What was the business you guys running?
Family business. With the rise of the sharing economy in the past few years, people were looking for alternatives to the traditional hotels. Staykeepers is a technology platform connecting institutional landlords' quality accommodations to guests and tenants looking for alternative, cost-effective way of living. Our guests benefit from high-quality facilities and professional services. The value for money is much greater than some hotels and individual property rentals. We connect and advertise the available units to short, mid, and alternative long-term platforms, providing supercharged exposure to the landlords' portfolios.
The team at Staykeepers, they've been great with us. They take care of everything, whether it's the logistics, the communications and all the services at the site. That allows us to focus on our main core business, the reason we're there, and it's perfect for us.
We're excited to be investors as we see a huge market opportunity to maximise revenues for property owners. COVID has obviously caused challenges, but we've been very impressed with the team and the resilience and flexibility of their software solution to navigate through this period. They're now well positioned to benefit from the inevitable rebound for safe holidays.
Our landlords portfolios are positioned in clusters, which allows the business model to be optimized for scale while keeping the variable cost low. We felt the impact of COVID-19 at the beginning of 2020. As a result, our company revenue has reduced significantly. However, we were able to recover quickly during the summer and to achieve our record level during August. Also, we were able to maintain stable occupancy rates of 70% for the past 6 months. In the meantime, we work hard to launch partnerships with some of the most recognized brands in the industry.
Airbnb and Staykeepers have been working together for some time now, and we've seen an enormous growth in bookings for their properties on both short-term rentals and long-term rentals. We're very excited about our partnership, and I'm really looking forward to continue working together and keep growing our supply.
Our technology strategy has been to focus on a very lean approach instead of building whole tech solutions from scratch. The API synchronizations allow us to move fast and save millions in the initial growth phase.
Our residents are at the center of everything that we do. We have been building processes and procedures to allow us to grow and maintain the quality of our service at scale.
I've been at Vernon House now for nearly 10 months, and I can honestly say, with regards to staff, Marina, Jovi, two of my absolute favourites, they have been tremendous, incredibly helpful, always responsive. I highly recommend it to anyone who's coming into London for the first time or is a regular visitor here.
Contrary to many organizations, Staykeepers values resourcefulness above resources. This is the ultimate recipe for success.
I've been supporting Ivo and Mira since the inception of the company. I'm very proud to be one of the first investors and backers. They have built a very solid team and a great culture.
In our student accommodation facilities, over this last academic year, we've suffered from voids because of COVID. Having Staykeepers by our sides to try and backfill some of those spaces has been really reassuring for us and for our banking partners. It's helped us to meet the business case parameters and make sure that we stay on track.
Our company core philosophy revolves around the need for people to become their better self. That of course means different things to different individuals. This campaign allows us to surround ourselves with like-minded stakeholders, be on the same journey and grow together. Join us on the next stage of our exciting journey. We're entering a growth phase and expanding our portfolio across UK, Europe and North America.